My people, Ogun State Governor don't go suspend abi sack Commissioner of Environment. Oh, no be small matter because they say he go dey press one underage girl breast. 16-year-old girl. Old men no sabi they no so the girl come dey narrate the story by herself. They tell us say they plan am, say na set up. Say she dey with her friend. Before you know it, the man come stop car for road. They ask am say, your face looks familiar. Oh, the girl come say, no, I don't know you before. Na so you know say na scam, na method wey men dey use now. Go so say I know you before. Na so the girl come dey talk say no, na so he leave am. Before you know it, the guy, the commissioner for environment come send person go meet the girl. Say since she sabi operate computer, say they get one small job for her. Scam. My people, make I no waste my time come dey talk plenty. I wan make una listen to am from the horse's mouth. Make we watch the video.
Well, young lady, can you please tell me your name?
My name is
Meloju Ekun what?
Barakat Mayowa.
Where are you from?
I'm from what side?
Ogun State local government. Please, how old are you?
I am 16 years old.
16 years. What class are you?
I'm in SS3.
Can you just narrate a little about what transpired between you and the honorable?
What transpired between I and the honorable is that on the 29th of December 2020, which is Tuesday, I was on my way to the NIN office to do my NIN. So I came across this man named Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun, which is the current Commissioner for Environment at Ibiade Motorcycle Park. So he called me. I was discussing with my friend. He called me that he knows me somewhere, and I told him that I didn't know you. He said, okay, maybe I resemble the person. That where am I living? I told him that I'm living at Ogun. Now I said, okay, I can take my leave. I left there. So when I wanted to leave the scene, he now sent this guy named Sheung at the park to come and collect my phone number. And I told the guy that he should tell the honorable that he should go and collect that my phone number from Mr. Lasisi Said, aka Mayo. That the guy now said, okay, he's sorry, that he may not know that the man is my father, that is the man my father. And I said, no, the man is not my father, but he's another brother to my father. And I said, okay. They now started disturbing that my friend that we were discussing together to give them my phone number. The guy now
Who was the person disturbing your friend?
Mr. Austin, a teacher at Illusion Grammar School presently. So the man was disturbing that my friend to release my number. So the guy now released my number to them. The Mr. Austin now called me that where am I? I told him that I'm at the NIN office, that I want to register my NIN. Now said, okay, I should come back. And I told him that I can't leave what I'm doing right now to come and meet him. And I said, when I'm through, I should come and meet him at Ibiade Park. And I said, okay, sir. So when
Sorry. Who are you? Who did you suspect was sending Austin to collect your number and to speak with you?
Abiodun Abudu-Balogun.
All right.
So when I was through with the NIN, I went home straight. So the Mr. Austin now called me that night again, that why didn't I come and meet him at the park? And I said I was in a hurry to go home, that I have something to do at home. That's why I didn't come and meet him. And I said, okay. So on the 31st of December 2020, which is on Thursday again, Mr. Lasisi Mayor now went to go and meet my grandparents, that he wanted to take me, that someone need a computer operator, that the man said I knows how to operate computer. So he now came to meet me and asked me that did I know how to operate computer, and I told him yes, that I know how to operate computer. And I said, okay, that I should go and change my clothes, that we are going to meet someone that needs a computer operator. And I said, okay. And I said, So we now went together to that action's house. On getting to the Honorable Abiodun Abudu house at Itaotu, he said I should sit down inside the car, that I must not get down. And a lady now came to pick me, whose by name is Mariam Eniola Oyenuga, from Itaotu. So the guy now took me inside one living room. So Mr. Austin now came inside and started the conversation with me that why didn't I pick his call yesterday? And I told him that I was not with my phone. And I said okay. He now took me to a room. The honorable
Inside whose house?
inside Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun's house.
Okay.
So the Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun now came inside, and Mr. Austin went outside immediately. So immediately Mr. Austin went out, the Honorable Abiodun Abudu-Balogun locked the door instantly and put the key inside his pocket. So he now moved closer to me and asked for the name of my school. I told him that I'm from Victory Model College. He said, how much is my school fees? I told him that it's 30,000 naira. He asked the person that is paying my school fees. I told him that it's my dad. Now said, okay, that one is monthly. So he now said, didn't I think of starting a business before going to school? And I said no, that I want to go to an higher institution. And I said, okay, that if I will need money now, how much should I need? And I said any amount. He said I should state an amount. I said any amount. He now moved closer to me and pressed my breast. And now move away his hand.
You mean Honorable Balogun, the current commissioner for environment, moved and touched your breast?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
He touched my breast, so I moved away his hand that he shouldn't touch my breast. He now asked me that won't I cooperate? I said, why will I cooperate? So he now started pressing my breast, pressing my body, and harassing me, something like that.
And what were you doing that time?
I was struggling to free myself from him, to gain freedom. So he now started reciting some incantations. I wanted to place his hand on my head. I now moved away his hand that he shouldn't touch my head, that they don't used to touch my head. He now wanted to force me inside his bedroom, but I struggled with him and started shouting because people are around his compound and he didn't want them to know what is happening. He now leave me there. He now gave me 500 naira notes, which is 2,000 naira, that I should use it as my transport. I rejected the money, that I didn't need it. He now said if I didn't collect the money, that he won't let go of me. So I now collected the 500 naira notes from him, and he now opened the door for me, and I went out of his house.
Wahala don tie gele o. Serious one with Iro and Buba. No, wetin happen to all the Rons girls? So you now dey try tell me now say for Ogun State, matured girls no dey again, slay queens, where dem dey? If I tell una now say this thing na ritual case, una go dey talk. No, na so this commissioner leave all the fine girls wey get big, because as I dey watch the video, I even dey try dey find the girl breast. I no dey see breast. So no, wetin that man dey find for this girl body? Na rituals na. Maybe Baba don tell her say, do this. And the girl even confirm am. As she no gree, she come dey leave. The commissioner come tell am say, okay, take this 2,000 na 500 naira notes. He give am. The girl still reject am. Maybe the Baba don tell am too say, in case that one no work, make she touch the money. Now wow, I for say make they arrest this man, but they go release am. So e better make they just see. I don't know whether na by hanging o, I don't know wetin they go do to am, but they need punish this man. Now pikin wey dem train well, they live long. Now this girl, they don't train am well for house. Don't take money for strangers. Don't take this. No be some children wey we know. Now so them they use virgins anyhow. They use them do ritual. Maybe the girl even be virgin. Wahala dey for Nigeria, my people. And now, I dey imagine, see, my own now be say, make we try protect that girl. Because as she come outside, I don't even know, as she come outside now, una no danger where they follow am. No be small danger. They don't plan. They go don't the thing go even worse if they can't know where she dey stay. Her family they in danger, she herself they in danger. So they suppose protect her now. If not, we go just hear say this girl don't die. Imagine if person for inside politics fit behave like this. No, which example now they give boys wey dey outside? Now why many bad things they happen? Now why you go here say this one rape, this one kill, this one kidnap, this one molest, this one harass every day? Now why all these things they happen? No, imagine when our leaders they do it. So why people no go follow? Una know they set good example. They say leadership by example. So waiting Nigeria government they show people now. Waiting now they show people. If at all Nigeria government get sense now, they go start to investigate this case. Because the girl say from some phone calls even happen. So may they start from there. But no, we know now already. Now they control the whole Nigeria. So now they go cover up many things. My people, now the matter be this so. Meanwhile, another matter don't reach me from the Fulani world. This one, another story. Oh, the video can't reach me. They come, they tell me say Fulani na where they Iboyin state. Say they inside hot soup. Oh. No be so matter many. See my people, I beg. I won't make you now watch this video, hear them and see them with una koro eyes. Make we watch the video.
This is Fulanis in Ebonyi State. So we have destroyed their properties and telling them to start packing their properties here in Ebonyi, that we don't need Fulanis in Ebonyi, we don't need Mietiala in Ebonyi State. They should pack out. We are doing everything humanly possible to make sure that all Fulanis are packing out here, and we will follow them to their destination. We don't need Fulani so that our mother and our father can be able to go to farm. We don't need them anymore. We the indigenous are here to do the native and the intelligence, we are here to do the native work. As you can see them, they are packing their properties. We destroy all destroyable their properties to make sure that they're packed out from Ebonyi State. We are not here to joke. We are not joking. We are determined to pack them out in Ebonyi State, so that if anybody knows Governor Umahi, that he or her should go and told him that we are determined to do what we are doing. Because we cannot tolerate when our mothers and our fathers go to farm, they will be threatened with the Fulanis. We don't need it again. So you can see them. And enough is enough, and we can follow them to their destination to make sure that packed out in Ebonyi entirely, totally. See them? They are here with the 2 lorries.
Person wey do this video no go heaven. Because now so fights now they look for. My people, Nigeria already get enough issue, enough things where they battle. Imagine how person can they bring another one inside for matter where they never even settle finish. See, may they start to investigate this case because they need arrest this person. They need arrest this person plan. Because this thing now, their plan are to cause tribal war. Before you know it, this tribe go come, they fight this tribe, and you know say you know they hard, especially Fulani people. Fulani people, before you say A, they don't already start the attack. And now the person plan be this. And now they show say this person get another plan. Say as this fight they happen, it go gain something. I don't know, but this person get plan. So we need look inside this matter. Because by now, this matter don't reach Fulani people. Una sit down there. By now, they don't even start the plan how they go revenge. You understand? So we need do something. I beg Fulani people, biko, make una look my fine face. No, I no fine. You understand? Now fine get on the beg una now. See, now fake. Now no be real news. I beg this news we una hear, if fake as una president own. You understand? Relax. You no go dey do gra. E dey una blood. Any small thing una wan start the fight. Biko, na fake news. You understand? No use this one go dey cause wahala, go dey cause chaos. You understand wetin I dey talk? Abeg make una relax una mind. Na wow, let peace reign o. La video la fake, la president la fake. Nobody originality. Abeg my people, na the matter wey I bring for una be this for 101 TV. So I wan know wetin una think for this case. Who do the video? If you know who do am, drop am for that comment section. I wan know. You understand? Make we tackle this issue. And subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video, make it go viral. Don't forget, I love you guys. I will see you later.